In today's video, I'm gonna unbox the Epson ET-8550. That's the 8550. And also, I'm gonna unbox some DTF inks. If you want to see how everything gonna turn out and what exactly I'm up to, stick around. Your boy Flex will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and happy new year. How are we doing? I know you guys are doing well. So this is a new year and new adventure for me. So anyway, in this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox the Epson Ecotank ET, Ecotank ET-8550. Okay, I'm gonna convert the 8550 into a DTF. So your boy's stepping up a little. Okay, I'm also gonna unbox the DTF inks, and I'm gonna tell you where I got the ink from, but I'm not gonna do the conversion today. In this video, we're just gonna unbox and you're gonna see everything and what your boy is up to. But before we get into the video, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, smash that like button for me, share this video, drop your boy a comment, and also go check out the vinyl stand. That's where I get all my B-FLEX. That's like the #1 vinyl you want to use. And also go check out Econo transfer. Excellent vinyl too. They got all different type of vinyl. They got reflector, they got gold, they got silver, you name it, they got the vinyl. And also go check out Heat Transfer Warehouse. Get all your sublimation product. I'm also going to do sublimation, and that is where I'm gonna be getting all my sublimation stuff from. Heat Transfer Warehouse. And you could also get yourself a Hotronix. You know what I'm saying? Heat on the top, heat on the bottom, Hotronix. Go check out Heat Transfer Warehouse. And new on the list, where I'm getting my ink from, DTGpro.com. Also have a link for them down below. If you need inks, if you need DTF stuff, DTG stuff, you could also hit up DTGpro.com. Link is down below. Now let's roll into the unboxing of the video. Alright, so this is it. This is the 8550. Okay, this is the Ecotank ET-8550. Now it comes with all these inks, but of course we're not gonna use these inks. Okay, so let's just open up this bad boy and see what it looks like. Get my knife. Okay, we all know this is, I have no idea. This is, I guess, for this, well, this is a CD. I guess that's all the drives in there. Okay, we'll deal with that later. We'll just take out everything. Okay, so this is it. This is the printer I'm gonna convert into DTF. Now, in this, I'm assuming is all the plugs and stuff. these are all the inks, but these inks I won't be using. I have no need for these inks. So what I'm gonna do is, I actually need the tubes, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna drain all these ink into something else, save them for when I get an actual printer that, you know, I'm gonna use for printing. So I'm gonna use all this with this, but not the ink. The ink I cannot use. This is regular printer ink. Now let's open up the DTF inks. Okay, so the DTF inks are in here, and I got the DTF inks from DTGpro.com. I have a link down below. You guys could check them out. Okay, wow, why is it half? Why it's not all the way filled up, huh? The other colors are all the way up, huh? Anyway, so these are the ink. It's DTFpro.com, okay? So anyway, these are the ink. These are the white. These are the white inks, and this is your next ink. So these are all the ink colors, right? I got, we all know all these colors, so I don't even have to say what they are. So these are all the colors, and this is the powder, you know, the powder that you need to use for the transfer. So this is it. I got a jar of it, and these are the films. So let's take these out. And these are the films that I got. Okay, they sent me the two wrong ones, but it's okay. No, actually they correct. I got the 13 by 19, and I also got the 8.5 by 11 is in here. And the big thing to use, and I also have the AccuRip. I think that's what it is. The AccuRip. So this is the software I'm gonna use to create the design, you know, like to print it using the printer. So it comes with a USB right there. So all I have to do is just hook it up and download everything, which is kind of cool. I wish there was a link where you just download it. It'll be much easier. This is everything that I'm gonna use for the DTF. Got my inks, all the colors. Okay, so in the coming days, I'm gonna make another video of me trying to, you know, convert the printer into DTF. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna get it done. So look out for that video. And also, I'm gonna get into sublimation, and I have another ET-8550 printer, which I'm gonna convert into sublimation. So I want you guys to stick around for that video. Look out for it. Okay, so if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so when I convert these things, you'll be able to see it, and maybe you want to convert it. And also, I'll put the link down below. You could get this machine off of Amazon. It's a little expensive. No, it's a lot expensive, okay, but you could get it off of Amazon. I'm not sure if it's still available on Amazon as I'm recording this video, but I'm gonna look, put a link down below, and if you want the 8550, you could get it. And also to get the ink, the DTFpro.com, my link is down below, so use my link, guys, if you want to go there, get yourself inks. You could go check it out. They have a lot of stuff, sublimation inks, they have DTG products, machines, so go check them out. So that's all your boy got for you today. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell now is the time. Share this video, drop your boy a comment. Until next time, this is your boy Flex, and I'm out.